Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. And today, we're doing the furry memes the old school way, like I used to. I did a poll on my channel up here, and quite a few people like to see both of them. So, I thought, let's have a change of difference. Let's do an old one, and see how everyone likes it. Anyways, how about we get into today's memes? Quick, run! What? Twitter. Yeah, sounds about right. Twitter is, it's a lot of things. I don't even need to mention. Type. It's dog time. Proof. Doesn't have opposable thumbs. I should take a break, I guess. Yes. Bean mode activated. Yes. Hecking adorable. And also I love having big paws like this. Can't really do much, but maybe I can just snuggle, I guess. Adorable art. Choose wisely. A 180 centimeter plush life wolf. 1020. An iPhone 1100. Yeah, I think I'd take the plush. At least it's easy to repair. You drop that plush, it's just gonna go poof. You drop a phone like that, it's gonna destroy itself and turn itself into 1,000 pieces. Yeah. At least the plush should be able to repair if you break it quite easily. Yeah. I think iPhones are really just a waste of money. Meh. A new game is released. You can play as a werewolf. Just, oh! Yes. Oh, no one. Skyrim. How about that one as an option? But yeah, I've seen that one, and yes, I've seen quite a few games and people are just like, yes. That, or someone just mods the game and adds their own characters to it. It will. Yeah. Dragons then. Dragons now. It will. Adorable. Notice that cute snoot to boop? Yes. Adorable. Who left the screwdriver here? It makes the Pokemon ball look stupid. That's not a Pokeball. That'd be a demon core. Something's coming. Gordon Ramsay. Did Gordon Ramsay come out as furry? His shadow came out as furry. Shadow very furry and sus. Oh well. Introvert furry friend. Extrovert adopting them without hesitation. Oh no, his tiny small being get adopted. You're now adopted. Cute. What's that? We're from the future. No way. It's so cool. Huh? Yep. Furry hater looks at their future. Finds out they're furry. Click on pop. I'm gonna fire the laser. Just burr. What Moko burr. I never found anthros attracting. Oh gee, so will. Yeah, true. Yeah, I'm furry. How could you tell? That is a Chad Wolf. Chad Wolf. Chad. Artisador. Oh my god. It's... Hi. Gone. Poof. Gets a little bit too shy. Bean. Cute. What the hell are you doing? I want to be the star. I'm not even going to question that one. I believe I have made myself clear. Meh. Yeah, clear. We'll give you 24% good luck. We'll turn you into whatever you desire, furries. Yes, red. I definitely understand that one. And who doesn't want to be all fluffy and cute? Definitely. I absolutely love that. Yeah. So fluffy and cute. Breathes fire on Marshmallow. Marshmallow replies back with sticky. Sticky marshmallow. Yeah. Gets stuck all over Fuzz. Beloved webcub author beginning to think his readers are furries. Yep. It happens to a lot. It's more common than you can think. It's a thing. No, please don't turn me into a handmade plushie. That. That looks so cute. Adorable. Yay. Which snuggle. This is a red square. Where does it go? Goes in the square hole. This is an Avali. Where does it go? It goes in the square hole. Oh, he's so cute. No, he pats a finger. No, it's adorable. There's a lot of adorable Avalis out there, and they're all freaking adorable, and I'm snuggling them. Cuties. But back. I prefer calling them schnitz. Then explain where this pointing thing. Oop. No. Snoot. Oop. They're adorable, Bean. Cutie. That is all the memes for today. Thank you for watching, and I do hope you have a brilliant day today. And also, hope you stick around for more content. I'm definitely going to be planning on making more of these. I might do these like every second week, and other weeks I might do the live streams. So that everyone has their own thing. Yeah. You have a brilliant day, everyone. You see us all around, and also, bye. Nah, bye.
Educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my